Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Mixing Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about making consistent sales from Jazzle because if you guys don't know, I started with a new shop on Jazzle back in the May of 2021. And from then on till August, I've been getting almost consistent sales each month. And in the August itself, I'm getting almost daily sales. So I'm going to be talking about some tips and tricks with you guys if you're looking forward to make some good amount of money or some serious amount of money with a Jazzle, because yes, Jazzle on Jazzle you can probably make 6-figure or not so 5-figure as well, making some serious amount of money on the Jazzle. So let's dive into the tips and tricks to get the consistent sales. Before going go park, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources, the link in the description box below to help you make more money. Or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains all the freebies, contains the full commercial license as well. So you can very well use it. Let's talk about getting the consistent sales. Now, I have made a huge mistake with the Jazzle in the very beginning. I'm going to leave that video of me talking about making mistake on Jazzle, what it was and all in the card section above. You can watch that video. In that video, talking about making mistake and taking Jazzle as another print-on-demand website. In reality, it's a print-on-demand website, but it's not like other print-on-demand website. I talk in a bunch of my videos. And if you're taking it as a print-on-demand website, just uploading a random design here and there, then you might get few sales or may not be getting anything out of it. But if you are taking Jazzle as a Jazzle, the way it is, what I really mean by that, if you're taking it as a template, then you're probably getting a lot of the sales. In fact, making some serious amount of money, 4-figure in a month, that is $1,000 or $2,000. This is just a starting, guys. Many people are making 6-figure or yearly 6-figure on Jazzle. That's true. It's possible, and you can. And before going into that, guys, I really want to tell you about subscribing to my exclusive email newsletter. Right now, it's on waitlist. I'm going to be soon starting with an exclusive email newsletter, which will going to continue with a special tips and tricks with your print-on-demand, making money online, tools, and all the resources and all the things that I'm going to be including in that email newsletter, which I won't be posting here on this YouTube channel or any in my online content. So that would be an exclusive to that email newsletter. Right now it's on waitlist. I'm going to be soon starting with it. And when I'm going to be starting, I'm going to sending you email. But make sure to join the waitlist now. The link is in the description box below. It's 100% free. Anyone can join it. The link is in there. Okay. Let's talk about the consistent sales and the tips. The very number one tip that I have for you is take Jazzle as a Jazzle. Now you would be thinking, what does that tip look like? Let me explain you guys. If you're taking Jazzle as another print-on-demand website, then you're making a big mistake. I made this mistake back in 2020. I had that old shop in which I uploaded just a random design here and there, although I got my first sale, but after that I wasn't getting that much sales which I was expecting, as I was uploading the more designs and products on Jazzle, but I wasn't making that big money or that good money from that. Until recently in the May of 2021, I actually took Jazzle the way it is and the things started changing for me, and I am getting the consistent sales almost each day in this August itself, and I'm really grateful for that I learned from my mistake and I actually corrected it. So Jazzle is a print-on-demand website, but it's not a print-on-demand website. You need to upload your work as a template. If you're just uploading the random products, you might get few sales or might not be. Like people are coming on a Jazzle to buy the products and they are personalizing it, they are customizing those products, and then they are purchasing. Let me give you an example. If you're uploading a wedding invitation, wedding invitations sell amazingly well on the Jazzle, and if you are uploading a wedding invitation as a product in your store, you need to allow the people to customize it, add their own name, location, dates, or whatever they want to add it to that particular template. So they're going to use your product as a template, add it them, customize it according to their needs, and then they're going to purchase it. So if you are not doing that, then you're making a big mistake and you are leaving out a lot many sales on the Jazzle. I have made a complete video step by step talking you on how to opening up a store on the Jazzle and all those things. I'm going to leave the complete tutorial in the card section above. In fact, I made another video where I'm showing the difference between uploading the design as print-on-demand design and uploading the design on a Jazzle as a template. The what's the difference between these two and how you're going to take it, I'm going to leave all the videos to Little Jazz in the card section above. You can check it out. Upload the product as a template. Don't upload it as a random print-on-demand designs, like just uploading your design. Don't do it, guys, because people want customizable, personalized products and they customize it. If they are not getting the facility, then they might not buy your product in the very first. The second tip that I have for you guys is very well upload more products. If you are thinking that you just need to upload the 10 products to get the good money, then it's not possible. Like if you actually look at the people who are making good money on Jazzle, making 6-figure or maybe 7-figure on Jazzle, they have like thousands of products in their shop, in their store, and some of them also having the multiple different shops in their account. Yes, Jazzle has the facility. They have multiple different stores in one account, which is not there in the Redbubble, TeePublic, or even in the Society6. You can upload 10 different stores and only in one account in the Jazzle, and you can upload the products. So my number 2 tip is upload as much as you can. Because it's really important. If you're just uploading 10 products, in the millions of products, your product will going to be, I don't know, will going to be hidden on some 16 page, 20 page, or maybe 100 page, or maybe more than that. And no one is actually going over to the 100 page to actually get the product they want to. So upload more as much as you can. That's as simple as it can. Of course, you don't need to compromise the quality versus the quantity. You need to find the current balance. Look out your threshold, how much you can upload on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and then be consistent with uploading that schedule and have your own schedule. Don't copy anyone's schedule. People think that that person is uploading 10 design a day, so I also need to do that. But if you are not in a position, you have your main job or you have your full-time job, if you have your responsibility, your family, you may not be getting that much of time to upload 10 designs each day. Then probably you can do an every alternate day or maybe on a weekends, whatever suits to you. So develop your own schedule, but be consistent with that schedule and try to upload as more as you can. So that is the number 2 tip. The number 3 tip I have for you guys is do your research. Because every platform is unique in their own sense. If you're thinking that here on the Jazzle, it's next to the Redbubble, so the product that are selling well may also be selling amazingly well on the Jazzle as well. It may be correct, it may not be correct. Every platform is unique in that. And how you're going to do your research? When you're going to land on the first homepage of the platform, you will definitely going to see the products they are showcasing on the first page, because these platforms are made in such a beautiful way that they are showcasing their best-selling products on the first page. So you very well came to know that these kind of products are showcasing on the first page. That means they are selling amazingly well. So you can go for that particular products, finding the niches which is not that competitive and which you can actually go for and which is having a good demand. So do your research. I'm going to tell you, give you a little hint over here. On Jazzle, PayPal products sell amazingly well, like the business cards, the normal cards, the invitation, stickers, even the labels, even the different kinds of the postcards. These products sell amazingly well. There are so many products. I think they have the catalogs of thousands of products on the Jazzle that do sell amazingly well. So do your research and pick up that product which you are really interested in and which you can make the multiple different copies and can. The 4th tip I have for you, upload the product as a variant. Let me give you an example. If you have uploaded a rose gold wedding invitation, then you can upload a variant of rose gold and you can make a gold wedding invitation as well, white and black as well, green as well, red as well, black as well. You can create the variation of that rose gold or that wedding invitation into various different varieties, into various designs or themes, so that whenever people will going to hop over to your rose gold, they're going to see that you have a bunch of the themes related to that particular product, so it's more likely for them to purchase. So create the variants, not just upload a single type of product. If you're uploading a sticker, maybe that sticker is orange in color, so you can have the different kinds of colors or different kinds of calligraphy in the text or different kinds of the graphics. You can have the variants which are similar to each other but kind of like a variant, so that people have the good choices, good options in their front to actually purchase not just single product from your shop, but to purchase multiple different products, and you can get them more sales and get them more money. So upload the product as a variant. Look for the options that you can create as a variant. Like for the wedding invitation, there is a gold wedding invitation is there. You're creating the gold wedding invitation card, wedding invitation, then you can have it as a simple black and white, then the minimalistic, then you can also have the rustic purple, the green, the brown, the rose gold, whatever color you can go, but create the variants. You're definitely going to get the good sales. And then you can group your products together. The products which are same but are kind of like variants to each other, you can group them into one product, so that when people were going to land over to your gold wedding invitation, they're going to see, oh, you have the different options. You also have the rose gold, you also have the black, the red, green. So they will going to think, oh, I have so many different options, so I'm going to purchase the gold as well, I'm going to purchase the black as well, rose gold as well. So they will going to purchase more from your shop, and you're going to see that a single customer will going to purchase multiple different things from your shop, which is really, really amazing. That's all we want, because oftentimes we think that we want more views, we want more customers, but we forget about the customers who are already purchasing from our shop. We can upsell them, or we can provide them a different variants or different variety of the products. So rather than buying just a single product, they are more likely to buy 2 products, 3 products, or maybe 10 products, 20 products from your shop, so that you are converting the single customer multiple different times to make the multiple different shops, because that customer is already familiar with your store. They already familiar with the store, they already love your product, they already like the way you are designing it, and they want more from your shop. So get the customer what they want. Provide the thing what people is asking for you. Another tip I have for you is create collections on your store. Like if you have uploaded a happy birthday card, then create the collection around that happy birthday cards, different kinds of variants of that cards, or maybe different kinds of patterns, textures, or different kinds of products related to that birthday. You can create a wedding suit, a birthday suit, a party suit. Like you are creating a party suit, a birthday invitation of a 1-year kid. So you're creating a birthday invitation, the birthday card, the party hat, then also the different kinds of the decoration items, the pillow covers, the balloons, the napkins, the paper plates. Like you can create the kind of a collection of one particular event or one particular occasion, or one particular topic, theme, or niche, and then upload it on your store. It will definitely going to get you good sale. Because if I'm a customer in your store, let me give you an example. I'm a customer in your store and I want a Valentine card for my boyfriend. So I want a Valentine card for my boyfriend, and I'm looking for that in your store. So probably I'm going to buy the different things related to Valentine cards. I don't just want a Valentine card, I also want a Valentine gift, some party supplies, some also different kinds of labels and stickers, some different kinds of wrapping papers, the gift tags. So I would be more likely to convert if you're creating a Valentine Day collection in your store. I'm going to just click on your collection and see the different products related to the Valentine, and I'm more likely to make more multiple sales in your shop, in your store. So that is the one way, amazing way to convert one customer buying more products from you. This is just an example I took randomly. I think I just took it randomly. That was coming in my mind of me buying the Valentine Day cards from your shop. And this is just an example. You can create anything, Christmas card, New Year card, or different kinds of wedding invitation, birthday invitations, graduation party, whatever it is. You can create these collections, and you can allow the customer to have different choices and creating a suit around it so that people can buy more. The last tip that I have for you guys is maximize or customize your title, tag, description as much as you can. It's a real juicy part of store of your design. If your title, tag, and description kind of like a vague, not related to your design, then nobody will gonna find your design. So only add those keywords or tags or description in your store or design listing which are related to your design. This is last tip. It's quite obvious, but people often do make a mistake. They just add the random hashtags or random keywords which are not at all related to their design. They end up not getting the sales, or maybe getting few sales here and there. So I highly recommend to check it out, what kind of keywords tags you're using. If you want any more video related to the Jazzle in depth, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make a video for that, because I really love talking about the Jazzle, and this video is really long because I really love talking about it. So do let me know if you have any more thing related to Jazzle. I'm gonna make a video for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.